power. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it.
Dancers of Shillong on the 9th of July organized a mini dance battle jam where many dancers enthusiastically participated with fun and joy. The mini jam was held at Meghalaya Dance Academy, and the purpose of the function was to inspire and encourage young dancers to come forward and show and develop their talent. Dancing is a social activity that gives joy to the weary heart.
Hello guys, it's me Asif, aka Asif Scops, all the way from Shillong. So I want to say about this mini jam. This jam is organized by Anil, aka Unstoppable. The motive of this jam is to promote hip hop culture. There are many categories here, like they are doing. One was on breaking, one was on popping, three was three rap style, and many more. So like the main motive of this mini jam is like to spread about hip hop. Hip hop is a culture, so love hip hop. Yeah, peace.
Hello everyone, my name is Anil. I'm also known as Biba Unstoppable. I'm breaking since 2K17 and I represent Doraemon crew. So like I'm the organizer of this event. So through this event, like I want to show to the youth like we can do something, like just want to make the youth busy doing something which they love, doing something what they do, like dancing is what it saves people. It let students to stop doing other things. So through dancing, even me, I saved my life, and many of the artists, they have done the same.
Hello everyone, this is Vicky K. Sangma, the founder member and the head instructor of Megha Warriors Dance Academy Shillong. I am very much happy and I was really excited for this upcoming jam. It happened today, 9th of July. So it was very nice and energetic people around here, and it was really fun being with them, and these are our next generation. We'll keep up our dance things alive, and I just want them to get more of opportunities, and I would like to tell people also to give them hell lot of opportunities, because I feel our Meghalaya Shillong is a very big culture. We already know, so now we have to upgrade our culture more.
Hey guys, my name is Rai Paul, aka Rex. Today I'm here to talk about this event which is organized in Megha Warriors, which is mini jam in Shillong. So guys, it's a very big opportunity for all the dancers to come and showcase their talent, because here are no rules, no regulations. Just come and give your best, whatever you got. You guys have many categories here. You can showcase any dance form here and be yourself, express yourself. This is all underground about. So yeah, of course, everyone should come and have fun here, because battles are all about fun and tactics and all. Thank you.
Let's go, man. Coming jutsu in the house. Let's go. Power. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Let's go, second row down. B-boy, that's it, let's go. Go. Make it count, boys. Go. Hey. Let's go, boys. It's a battle. Hey.